Having sessions like the one that Ms. Pinto just had was, I think, is absolutely essential. Our kids not only realize what they're doing with their money, but it's a skill for life. And I think as they go out into the world, what the Dubai Islamic Bank is doing by having such sessions with schools is phenomenal. I mean, you are setting students up for success, really. And taking a leaf from your book, now we've started incorporating that into what we do on a daily basis. So thank you very much. Ms. Pinto's sessions were so engaging, and I think the students have really enjoyed it. And I think once you capture their imagination, you've hooked them for life. So they're on the path. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Srividya, a senior economics teacher from GEMS Modern Academy. The session today by Miss Marilyn Pinto was a very, very engaging one. She got the students to kind of think on a different level, have their approach a little more open-minded, and reflect on their spending patterns at the moment. So I think most students should kind of get exposed to this, because this is something, once you move into the college, every student goes through this phase. So it's good to learn about it.
Hi, my name is Sejal Sharma, and I really enjoyed this program because it was really fun and interactive way of learning about finance, and it really taught me about how we could be reckless with money, and also it's really helpful for our future.
Hi everyone, my name is Shreya Nautyal, and I really enjoyed this program because it taught me a lot of different things about financial literacy and its importance. I definitely would recommend this program for everyone else my age, because this prepares them for future circumstances where they need such knowledge.
Hi, my name is Samiksha Mathiala. I really enjoyed this program because it was an interactive way of learning how the basic of finances work, and I would really recommend this for anyone my age who doesn't really know about finance, just to get the basic idea and know what you're going into the future.
Hi, my name is Muslima Poonawala, and I really enjoyed this program because it showed me where I stand on a financial basis, and it also helped me to be very independent financially in the future. Thank you so much.